me being a complete idiot. So, I just got out of court. I'm here with, introduce yourself.
Attorney Don Howard with the CT Ticket Defenders.
Yes, sir. So, we just got, actually, you want to explain?
So we just got a reckless driving ticket dismissed, reduced down to an infraction. My guy got arrested. He got 12
Almost.
minutes. So you'll see the video if he hasn't uploaded it already.
It's going to be in this video, actually.
Okay.
And then we could have
this
it.
Is just legit. Just keep this on there. We beat the case. We're both
We beat
excited,
the case, yo.
You know, so.
The car was unregistered, which is already, like, bad. It's bad. Like, doing that in an unregistered car is so stupid. And then for it to be a reckless driving, spinning out in front of a cop.
500 horsepower, man. That's crazy.
So, hit him up. I'm going to leave his
844
information.
pulled over, CT Ticket Defenders.
That's on Instagram, 844 pulled over. Make sure you hit him up because he knows what he's doing. Without him, I don't know what would have happened to my license. Honestly, I need my license to do all this stuff. You guys know that. So
That's crazy, man.
How do you like it, Al? You can't not smile in this thing, dude.
The whole fucking time,
my god. Wow.
I don't like these roads that much. They're kind of turning. I'll break boosted for you though. I'm getting arrested, bro.
Oh god, that's
Fuck me, bro. Jesus fucking Christ, bro. I'm getting arrested. I'm getting arrested, bro. That's crazy. This car's not registered either.
oh god.
Okay, that's it.
Kill it.
It's the end of everything, bro.
Oh god. Put that back
My time's
there.
been. My time here is over.
Oh, you're good. Oh no.
My time here is over. I have no.
You
rights.
gotta ask?
No, you don't have to say anything. I already
Your
know.
driver's license, man?
Yes, sir. Yeah, I literally have no words. All I can say is sorry. That's it. Like, that's literally it.
Alright, do you
Stupid.
have insurance and registration as well for this thing, man?
I only have insurance, and
You don't have insurance?
I only have insurance.
You only have the insurance. Does
And
the
then-
plate belong on the car and everything?
The plate is for another one. I have an appointment for the DMV literally on Thursday.
Okay. What
So
car?
it's
Is the plate
the same car, same everything. It's just a different
van
shell.
or
Yeah.
whatever?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's just a different VIN.
Would you swap it?
I took everything from that car and put it on this one
Yeah.
because that one was a convertible, and I just didn't like the fact that it was a convertible and it was just dangerous. So I
Alright.
just,
Well,
I'm sorry.
kind of
I know.
ironic talking about the convertible
really
being
ironic.
dangerous,
It's really
considering
stupid.
what I just saw.
Exactly.
I
Yes.
wish I never did it though. Like,
You just leave the show?
Yep.
yeah, it's at home. It's just sitting in. It's like
No, I mean you just leave the show.
Oh
That was
yeah,
just
yeah,
up there.
yeah.
All right.
And he's never been in the car before, so I was trying to be stupid, you know. So it was.
Well,
Just
listen,
dumb.
man. I mean, I was
I
right
feel
there,
like such
so.
a fucking asshole. Like that was so stupid. Like, and I didn't even see the stop sign. Like I just didn't want to hit anyone. Like after I
Right.
saw it, I just didn't want to hit anyone because
Right.
if I killed someone during that, that literally is like the worst. That's like
I'm
my
not-
biggest
listen,
fear. I don't want to.
I'm not gonna berate you over that. I think you
Yeah,
know,
yeah,
based
yeah.
on your current attitude, you understand.
It was so stupid. I honestly have never done anything that stupid in my life. I hate running stop signs because I can get killed or I can kill someone, and then
Right.
that, of course.
Right.
I had to do the one time I do it, I had to be in front of you. So it was like literally
Well,
like
listen, you know,
it was so stupid.
yeah, I'm here. It is what it is, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing we're gonna be able to change about that now, right?
Yeah,
But
I mean, yeah.
like you said, I'm not showing up here after a car accident
Mm-hmm.
where, God forbid, you and your friends
Yeah, anything
are
happened.
in a car split open. I
Yeah.
mean, you know, we came through there just to make sure everything was chill. The last thing that I want to see, because I've already been at it, is, I mean, listen, 2 years ago, some dude left a car show in his Viper and launched it 140 feet into the woods, almost killed himself.
Holy crap.
He didn't kill himself?
Nope.
What?
Don't know how.
It's because it's a
Bounced
Viper.
it off every tree. That was a convertible. I don't know how he didn't launch another 150 feet out of there, but I don't want to have to go to those accidents where you and your friends are splattered across, you know, a bunch of trees or across the road, and you hit somebody else, or even a pole, right?
Yeah.
So give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay?
Perfect. Thank you.
Is this the recording?
Bro, I don't want to say it. I don't want to say anything before it's too soon.
No.
But dude, I didn't see the stop sign. The
I
tree
didn't-
was
dude, that-
covering it,
that's-
bro.
that's the
so I
thing. The
slammed
stop
on the
sign I
brakes,
didn't
so
see
I
until
couldn't.
after you hit the
I didn't
brakes.
want to hit anyone because they were going, and I see the stop sign. I'm like, what? I completely forgot that shit was there.
I didn't.
What the fuck did that? There's a tree covering it. There has to be a tree covering it.
I didn't see that.
I didn't see it until I was already hitting the brakes, and then I started slamming the brakes because I'm like, oh, there's a cop. And then I'm like, oh, there's a stop sign, even better. So
I didn't even see the
I
cop until after
literally
you hit the
spun out
brakes.
in the road, bro.
You controlled it very well. I'll give you that.
Dude,
Yo, yeah.
I wasn't gonna keep going. I was gonna pin it. I was not gonna like, you know, like try and straighten it out and like not spin. I just spun. Like I'm not fucking.
Yeah.
Dude, that was so stupid, bro.
Wild.
That was okay. It's time to go home if I am able to go home, bro.
Yeah.
It's over with and done. That's it.
Gotcha.
Oh my god, dude, I've never felt that adrenaline in my life, bro.
Because before the first,
Dude.
he hurt you.
Dude, of course he did. He had his lights on as I'm like going, bro.
Did he really?
Yeah, like he had them on quick, like
Well, because he already knew how fast you were going.
it was bad, bro.
Fast you were going.
No, it was fast. I could not stop.
No, I know. I mean,
I couldn't
the
stop.
first pull before we hit the corner, you went 100. And then you slowed
Yeah,
down.
yeah.
But would you rip the e-brake? That's how we did that, like 180?
No, I didn't. I just
You didn't rip that at all?
No, I
Holy
just-
shit, that was super clean.
I pinned the brakes so that it's just like rolled and it wasn't, you know,
That
dumb.
was cool.
This policy's for this car, right?
Yeah, this policy's for this car, and then I have an appointment for the DMV in 4 days to register this one. I made it like a month and a half ago. It was like insane wait time for the DMVs.
Yeah, it's
so,
crazy. Nah, it's insane. All right, I just want to make sure that this was for this car,
Yeah,
not the other one.
Yeah, it
All
is.
right.
Dude, I have this all on camera.
Oh yeah.
Bro, I want to laugh. I don't want him to see me laughing. Like, god damn it, bro. Dude, my heart is literally still about to explode.
Dude, I don't think I need coffee for the rest of the weekend.
Don't make me laugh.
I think I'll be good.
Jesus Christ, bro. You know, honestly, the only reason I didn't think that was a cop is because I haven't seen a white cop car in literally like years. Everything around my town is black. Every cop
Yeah,
car
they
is
have
black
grays.
cop with like vinyl on it that's like
Dude.
the town. I didn't think that was a cop. I was just like, oh, that's just.
Nah. You're ever in Danbury or Ridgefield and you see a white Camaro with orange stripes,
Really?
slow the
It's a
fuck
cop.
down. It's a
Oh
cop.
my
That's
god, this fucking
White
assholes.
Camaro, orange stripe. It's a fucking cop.
It was just not what I wanted to happen.
Mm-hmm.
It was not what I wanted to
right.
happen. That was not in the book today. It's not in the plans at all.
Although, I mean, you're killing it with the attitude though. Your attitude's on point.
Dude, there's
Seriously.
literally nothing else that I can do.
Yeah,
Bro, you might get YouTube famous.
this is a good one. This is a good one.
Another.
All right, man. So here's the deal.
Yeah.
You can't drive the car with that plate on it. All right.
Okay. Yeah.
So you got to get the car towed. I'm not going to take that plate
Okay.
because does the plate belong to your dad?
I think it would be like an
It's because it's not.
Yeah, it's not under my name. Or
Right.
anything. Yeah.
So normally when that happens, but listen, I understand the whole DMV nonsense right now.
Mm-hmm.
I bought a Mustang recently, had to go through the same thing, so I understand the driving around with, you know, it's the same car or whatever.
Yeah, yeah.
I get the whole DMV nightmare, all right? but you got to get the car towed. You can't drive around with that plate on it.
Okay.
Right? So
there's nothing that I could, I mean, I just have to tow it, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine.
You know, like I said, I'm not going to take that plate because it belongs on, it's still like,
active or whatever?
It's still active, it doesn't belong in this car. Like, normally I'm going to take that, but you can't drive it around with that plate on this car.
Yeah, it's not for this car. Yeah,
it doesn't,
of course.
You know, that car is silver, I think. You got insurance or whatever, so like that's, you know, if you didn't have insurance, that'd be a different problem. You know, being the fact that the plate doesn't belong in this car, you can't drive it like this, so you gotta get it towed. But like I said, I'm not gonna take it because
that's fine.
if that's the plate that's gonna end up on this car,
that's
one thing. But you gotta get it towed from here.
Okay. That's fine.
All right.
Yeah, so can I get one?
Want me to get somebody?
Yeah, please.
Okay. All right.
Thank you. So because I had no registration, I'm gonna do that. The officer plugged me, honestly. The other truck wasn't gonna clear my low ass oil pan and skid plate, so he had to go get it flatbed. Now we're in the Skyline. So there you go. Now you guys know why I've been so cautious and so on edge about doing anything too crazy and illegal in this car, because that happened back in September and it's now April. So for 7 months I've had this over my head that if I get another ticket, if I get another reckless driving, if I get another anything, my license is pretty much guaranteed gone. It wasn't a ticket. The officer gave me a reckless driving summons, so it was just a peer to court, and they kept pushing it back because of COVID. But that officer was an absolute beauty. We were at a Cars and Coffee that the body shop next to Jimmy Oaks' shop was, so we were all chilling there, and I was like, let me just give my friend a ride real quick in an area that I didn't know, and I foreshadowed that I don't like these roads, and of course something happened. I learned my lesson. Don't do anything stupid on roads that you don't know, and just be very careful about when you do stuff. That has taught me a very good lesson, and I want to try my hardest not to do anything that stupid again. So make sure to follow me on Instagram right here, E30Joel. Stay up to date with everything that I'm doing. Like, subscribe, and stay tuned for everything else that I'm going to do with this car, because now I can actually do stuff.